8 secrets about data science nobody will tell you. Secret 1. Avoid spending a lot of time on learning theory. Secret 2. Don't try to learn multiple tools and technologies at once. Secret 3. Give importance to business problems over tools. Secret 4. Understand the maths first and then concentrate on accuracy. Secret 5. Focus on domain knowledge and then focus on algorithms. Secret 6. Have a structured approach for problem solving. Secret 7. Give more importance to communication skills. Secret 8. Take enough time while exploring data. If you want to become a professional data scientist, enroll in our Data Science with AI course. The link is in the description box.